Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve a beautiful math expression that is root 2 minus 1 whole power 6 equal what? So we are going to solve this without using calculator and in a fun way. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I am going to take a substitution, that is let x is equals to root 2 minus 1. So basically now we have to find the value of x power 6, right? So let's find out. So x is equals to root 2 minus 1. So I'll take this negative 1 to this side. So x plus 1 equal root 2. Now I'm going to do squaring on both sides. And on left hand side I'm going to use the identity, that is a plus b whole square, which is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, where a is x and b is 1. So x square plus 1 square plus 2 times x times 1 is equals to root 2 square. So x square plus 1 plus 2x is equals to root 2 square is 2. Now x square is equals to, I can write 2, take this positive 2x to other side and 1 also. So x square is equals to 1 minus 2x. Now I'm doing cube on both sides. So x square whole cube is equals to 1 minus 2x whole cube, because we have to find the value of x power 6. So here I am going to use the property of exponent, that is x power mn. We can write it as x power mn. So here x power m power n. So it becomes x power 2 times 3, that is x power 6. And on right hand side I am going to use the identity, that is a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So x power 6 is equals to 1 cube minus 3 times 1 square times 2x plus 3 times 1 times 2x whole square minus 2x whole cube. So x power 6 is equals to 1 minus 3 times 1 square is 3 times 2 is 6x plus 3 times 1 is 3 times 2 square is 4. So it becomes 4 times 3, 12, and here x is also, so it becomes x square minus 2 cube is 8 and x cube is x cube. So it becomes 8x cube. Now x power 6 is equals to 12x square minus this 8x cube. I can write it as 8x times x square minus 6x plus 1. So x power 6 is equals to 12. Let's recall the value here. X square is equals to 1 minus 2x. So let's put in place of x square 1 minus 2x minus 8x, and x square is 1 minus 2x minus 6x plus 1. So x power 6 is equals to 12 minus 12 times 2 is 24x minus 8x minus is plus 16x square minus 6x plus 1. So x power 6 is equals to 12 minus 24 minus 8 minus 6 is minus 38 x plus 1 plus 16, and in place of x square again I can write it as 1 minus 2x. So x power 6 is equals to 12 plus 1 is 13 minus 38x plus 16 times 1 is 16 minus 16 times 2 is 32x. So x power 6 is equals to 13 plus 16 is 29 minus 38x minus 32x is minus 70x. X power 6 is equals to, so do you remember we take a substitution, x is equals to root 2 minus 1. So in place of x, I'm going to put root 2 minus 1. So x power 6 is equals to 29 minus 70 root 2 minus is plus. This becomes 70. Now x power 6 is equals to 29 plus 70 is 99 minus 70 root 2. So we have to find the value of x power 6, that is 99 minus 70 root 2. If you want to solve this radical root 2, you can put the value of that and multiply with 70, then subtract it from 99. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And if you have alternate solution, you can comment down below. And if you have any doubt related to any math question, that also comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.